Can't find where to create tasks in Zoho Books? Watch this to enable and create your first task in under 2 minutes. First, we'll enable the task feature in Settings. Then, I'll show you how to create a task with all the details. Open Zoho Books to get started. Click the Settings icon to access the configuration menu. Then go ahead and click on General to open General Settings. Check the box beside Task to enable the Task module. Now click Save to apply that change. Close the Settings panel by clicking the Close button. Click the plus button to create a new item. From the drop-down, choose Task to start adding a task. Type the title of the task in the appropriate field. Then, click on Select Contact to choose who it's for. Select Acme Solutions, Inc. from the contact list. Now click on Due Date to set a deadline. Go ahead and click on the Date field, then pick the due date from the calendar. For this example, click on 31 to select that day. Click on Assign To and choose the person responsible. Select Sultry Riley X6 as the assignee. First, click on Very Low to set the priority as Very Low. Then immediately click on High to change it to High Priority. Type the term and description to provide details about the task. Toggle the reminder switch if you want to enable a reminder. Finally, click Save to create the task. That's it. You've successfully created a task in Zoho Books. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.